Every week, you likely spend 2 to 4 hours doing the exact same manual tasks, moving data from one tool to another, copying and pasting, reformatting content for different platforms. It takes time, but it adds zero creative value to your work. But you can hand all of that over to an AI-powered automation engine. It costs nothing to start, and you can build the entire system in under 5 minutes. Today, we are going to build Blueprint 1, the content publishing engine, using a visual logic platform called Make.com. To see what this actually looks like in practice, consider Deepika, a solo finance creator in Hyderabad. By setting up this exact architecture, she cut her content publishing time from 45 minutes per piece down to just 5 minutes. Before we start building, you need to open 3 free tabs in your browser. First, Make.com. Second, a Notion account. And third, an AI API dashboard like Claude or OpenAI. By moving these repetitive tasks off your plate, you stop acting as an assembly line worker and step into the role of operations architect for your own business. Every automation architecture starts with phase 1, the trigger. This is the specific digital event that wakes the system up. Looking at this setup, we have our Notion database on the left. To connect it, we go into Make.com on the right, create a new scenario, and select the Notion module called Watch Database Items. When you connect these two, you reach a common point of failure. You have to explicitly grant Make.com permission to read that exact Notion database during the setup, or the automation won't be able to see your files. This logic gate shows what happens next. We need to set a strict data filter so the automation only runs when a document status column is changed exactly to Ready to Publish. Now, run a quick test inside Make.com to verify that the connection is secure and that it successfully catches the newest item in your database. This specific filter ensures that the system only uses computational power after a human operator has finalized a decision. That brings us to phase 2, the AI action. This acts as the cognitive processor for the raw text we just pulled from the trigger. Add the Claude or OpenAI module into your sequence right next to the Notion trigger, and select the function labeled Create a Message. Next, authorize the connection by pasting in your API key. Take care not to accidentally copy any extra spaces at the end, as that will instantly cause the authorization to fail. This is where we use data mapping. We are grabbing the exact page content variable pill from the Notion menu and dropping it directly into the Claude prompt box. Above that mapped data, we write our specific instructions. Tell the AI to take the incoming Notion content and reformat it into a professional, engaging post specifically for LinkedIn. Check your settings dropdown and ensure you have selected the most recent AI model to guarantee the highest quality output. Mapping these variables directly into the prompt allows the AI to synthesize your raw research into a new platform-ready format automatically. The final architectural phase is the output, where we route our process data to its final destinations. Click to add your next module, search for LinkedIn, and select the Create a Text Post action. Just like we did with the AI prompt, use data mapping again. Grab the freshly formatted text output from the Claude module and drop it straight into the LinkedIn post content box. For a true system, we need a feedback loop. Add a final Notion module to update a database item, looping back. Point it at the original document, setting it to automatically overwrite the status from Ready to Publish to Published. When a system cleans up after itself like this, it completely removes the need for you to manually track whether a task was completed. Now we run the live test. Go back to your Notion database, type a quick test sentence into a new page, and manually change its status to Ready to Publish. Back in Make.com, hit the Run Once button. Watch the data flow successfully through each step of the architecture. Check your live LinkedIn feed, and you will see the newly AI-formatted post sitting right there on your timeline. Flip back to your original Notion database. You'll see that the status tag has automatically updated itself to Published. The test is successful. Go ahead and flip the master Make.com switch to On to permanently finalize the system. Activating this single flow removes the administrative friction of cross-platform posting, ensuring your content goes live without you ever having to touch a dashboard manually. To manage new automation architectures without becoming overwhelmed by complexity, you should follow the sprint rule. Let this single publishing blueprint run untouched for a full week before you attempt to build any additional automations. Monitoring just one system helps you fully understand minor failure points and logic structures before you scale up to more complex tasks. In our next video, we will install the AI Operators Daily system, showing you how to structure a highly leveraged 2-hour workday around these exact setups. For now, use the link below to join the RentPrompts community and share a screenshot of your completed Make.com flow to celebrate your first build. Mastering workflow automation doesn't replace the human element. It frees you to step away from data entry and focus exclusively on high-leverage, creative strategy.